Hello everybody, let's start our analysis for today. We are going to analyze Kohinoor Foods Limited. This company has been picked by Flopo Business Newsletter, a brilliant premium newsletter. If you guys want, you can subscribe to it. Please stay. I'll be showing you the procedure to subscribe to this newsletter also. So let's start. The Kohinoor Food Limited is a prominent player in Indian food processing industry, specialization in production and distribution of basmati rice, wheat flour, ready-to-eat meals, and other food products. The company has a strong brand presence in both domestic and international markets. Financial analysis: the company's revenue has been fluctuating, as you can see, they have described here. Profitability has been volatile. The company carries moderate level of debt, and the debt equity ratio is manageable. The cash flow from operations has been inconsistent, reflecting company's fluctuating profitability. The key strengths are strong brand presence, diversified product portfolio, and global presence, and it's growing. All right. So the key risks are commodity price fluctuations, as this company is highly dependent on the pricing of rice and wheat. We can see that the pricing affects them really much. So next thing is intense competition, as we know that the food processing industry is highly competitive and it has various players, where bigger and smaller and local players. So that also affects the company's profitability, and of course there is regulatory risk. The investable score is 5 in the middle, and their analysis suggests that it shows a mixed investment picture. While the company's possesses a strong brand presence and diversified product portfolio, the financial performance has been inconsistent, and the investors should exercise caution with this company. All right. So the additional considerations are management quality and industry trends. So let's just read the disclaimer. This research report is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as investment advice. Please ask your investment advisor if you should go further with whatever investment you want to make. All right. This particular stock has done a 19.98% rally in the last trading session, 48.4 rupees, the current pricing. All right, let's see the quarterly report. As we can see, is 9 lakhs for September 2024, 2.50 crore negative. It's just negative, two negatives quarter after quarter. All right, let's just check out the yearly report. 4.55 crore negative in 2024, in 2023 4.14 crore negative, then minus 6.32 crore. So it's just making losses after losses. Let's check out the cash flow. The cash flow is overall net negative cash flow minus 1.34 crore. The highest positive cash flow is in operating activity, 28.18 crore. The highest negative cash flow is in financing activity, 24.71 crores. All right, so let's check out the shareholding pattern. The shareholding pattern is kind of interesting. As you can see, it's currently 37.67%. The FIIs has 0.05%. The public holding 62.27%. As we can see, they have decreased their holding from 54.56% to 37.67%. It's a high decrease. So now that's not really a good sign. But let's see. There could be various reasons behind it. But right now, as we can see, the FIIs has also decreased their holding, actually increased their holding once again, but the DIIs has totally left this company alone after 2022, which is not a good sign at all. As you can see, once the promoters decrease their holding, the DIIs are not keeping any kind of holding in this company. All right, so let's just check out the chart. Currently the chart shows some order block resistances, as we can see. So from the looks of things, I can only go for any kind of investment after 63 rupees if the company's financial performances get better, because the finances are not good and the investable score by Flopo Business gets better. They will be rescoring this particular company, of course, in the near future. They always do that, but right now I don't think so that it's a good sign. So after 63 only I will be considering any kind of, will be showing you that helps us to analyze companies pretty quickly, and actually it does sentiment analysis from whatever going on the internet, and there are a couple of factors that it takes into consideration. I'll be showing you that in the future. So that's all there is to it, and I'll highly recommend you all to go and subscribe to this newsletter, this Flopo Business newsletter. They have picked this stock and they do really good analysis. I highly recommend, if you guys, if your pockets allow. It's only 2200 a year. If you guys can go and just subscribe to them, I'll be showing you the procedure to subscription after this. So please stay. And that's all there is to it. I will see you in the next one. Love you all. Bye bye. All right, so now I'm going to show you how you can subscribe to their newsletter. This is Flow Business newsletter. Once you go into their website, you have to just click on subscribe. This page will open. Then you have to enter your username, email ID, first name, last name, and then create a password and then repeat the same password. And then you have to select a package. So the packages are 8,800 for 5 years. Once you pay 8,800, you don't have to pay a penny in 5 years. So this will be active for 5 years in 8,800. And then there is 4,500 for 3 years. So if you pay 4,500, you don't have to pay anything for next 3 years. No, and then there is 2,200 that you have once you pay for it, it will be active for 1 year. All right. I have Research Pro. This is one of the best quant newsletters in India. I genuinely believe that they are doing amazing research. I have the Research Pro subscription, and they do a lot of work in quant and research and machine learning and stuff. And so basically emotionless trading and stuff. And as you may know, majority of the trades that you see, the winning trades, the profitable trades, are done by machines. They are not done by humans. To learn these things, you can go and subscribe to their newsletter. This is really one of the best quant newsletters in the world, and most definitely in India. So that's all there is to it. As they have a lot of company research, the valuation, as you can see here, of the topics. So the production chain and value chain articles, the quant trading, valuation, company analysis, research, really good stuff. They also have really good e-commerce and stuff, and they do their own research in the e-commerce sector also, whatever new things are going on in the industry. All right, so the predictions, opinions, and other these articles, production chain and value chain, quant, valuation, company analysis, and research, these 5 sections are one of my favorite sections, some of my favorite sections to read. And one of my favorite sections is definitely quant trading. This is really good. All right, so that's all there is to it. I highly recommend you all to subscribe to their newsletter. I always use their articles to explain really good concepts. So that's all there is to it. I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys. Thank you.